Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Guys, I'm super excited today to bring to you the unboxing of the Gigabyte AMD Radeon RX 6800. This is the, well, not now the lowest because they've released the RX 6700 XT, but this is released at launch with all the other graphic cards. So it's 16 gigs and it's a 3-fan RGB well-lit, cooled device. I would love to get my hands on these, so I've gotten my hands on these to do some testing. So without further ado, let's get the unboxing underway. All right, so outside the box, it's pretty much a standard kind of GPU box. You know, there's not much to see. There's nothing eye-catching. There's going, whoa, they've done this differently. So it's pretty straightforward. So let's get this unboxing underway. Okay, let's see inside the box. There's nothing in there. All right, nice and empty. All right, let's get this box open. So that was nice and easy. All right, not too hard. Inside, you've got the Gigabyte warranty commitment, which most GPUs have, and just the guide how to install it and what it needs. So it needs two 8-pin power adapters. So that's the big boy over here. All right, so that's basically it inside the box. Let's get a look at the GPU. Now I've flipped it over. Let's get a look at. So that's the taping. Just one tape to hold it there. Nothing too special. Now the graphic card has poked out of the thing. So metal back plate, so hopefully that won't. It's a lot lighter, guys. I'm used to the 8600 XT, and let's put it in this just to be safe. So I'm used to the 8600 XT, the 8900 XT. They're a lot heavier than this guy, so he's a lot less heavyweight. So the fans turn 2 to this side and 1 to this side. Okay, yeah, so that's just to give it a bit of an angle, I guess. Nice cooler. Okay, not too shabby at all. All right, so that's the back of it. All right, that's the top. So that's RGB lit over here. And that's basically it. What else do you get on this? So those are the 8-pin power adapters. You need 2, and you've got a silent and normal, I guess, BIOS. Silent is basically to get it nice and quiet. I'm not going to use silent because I'm testing. So what do you get in the ports kind of thing? So you get 2 HDMI and 2 display ports, which is nice. So no USB-C, guys, if you're looking for USB-C. All right, that's basically it for the GPU. All right, guys, I hope you liked this video. All right, I'm spending a lot of my own money. I'm not getting sponsored and things like that. Those of you who are familiar with the channel. Those of you who are new, I don't get any sponsors. This is all funded by me. This cost me around $1,600. So that's Aussie dollars. So you can support me by just subscribing. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. You can give it a like so other people can find it. It helps out that way. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. That way it supports me more, and you can financially support me on Patreon. All right, guys, thanks for sticking to the end. I hope you liked it. Stay tuned, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get notification when I review this item. All right, great. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.